In this video, you will learn how to turn on and turn off the beep volume of the GoPro Hero 6. What is the beep volume? The beep volume, sound of beep volume, is the volume of your beeps that your GoPro produces in several situations. For example, when turning on and turning off the GoPro, when you change camera modes, and when you start and stop record. How to turn on and turn off the beep volume of the GoPro Hero 6. First, be sure that your GoPro is turned on. Slide with your finger from the top to the bottom of the screen. Now the settings menu appears. Click on Preferences. Now scroll down by moving your finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. Under General, you find Beep Volume. Click with your finger on the bar. Beep volume sets the volume of your GoPro's alerts. Move your finger from the top to the bottom on the right side of the screen to scroll and select your preferred option for the beep volume. You can select the following options: off, low, medium, or high. Simply click with your finger on the option that you prefer. Congratulations! You now know how to turn on and turn off the beep volume of the GoPro Hero 6.